Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is Kerala CEE solved paper. Question number 1. The magnetic induction field has the dimensions of Option A. Force. Option B. Force constant. Option C. Surface tension. Option D. Surface tension or current. The correct answer is Option D. Surface tension or current. Question number 2. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on Option A. Photoelectric effect. Option B. Special theory of relativity. Option C. Brownian motion. Option D. General theory of relativity. The correct answer is Option A. Photoelectric effect. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work in photoelectric effect. Question number 3. The temperature of an ideal gas is increased from 100 K to 400 K. If the RMS speed of the gas molecule is V at 100 K, then at 400 K it becomes Option A. 2V. Option B. 4V. Option C. 0.5V. Option D. 0.25V. The correct answer is Option A. 2V. Question number 4. An electromagnetic wave of intensity I is incident on a non-reflecting surface. If c is the speed of light in free space, then the ratio IC is same as Option A. Momentum. Option B. Force. Option C. Pressure. Option D. Pressure per unit area. The correct answer is Option B. Force. Question number 5. Which element has the highest first ionization potential? Option A. N. Option B. Ne. Option C. He. Option D. H. The correct answer is Option C. He. Due to small size, N equals 1 and fully filled inert gas configuration, he show highest T. Question number 6. Which statements are false for the periodic classification of elements? Option A. The properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Option B. Non-metallic elements are lesser in number than the metallic elements. Option C. The first ionization energies of the elements along a period do not vary in a regular manner with increase in atomic number. Option D. For transition elements, the d electrons are filled monotonically with increase in atomic number. The correct answer is Option D. For transition elements, the d electrons are filled monotonically with increase in atomic number. The option D is false as d electrons do not fill monotonically with the increase in atomic number. Question number 7. The elution sequence of a mixture of compounds containing chlorobenzene, anthracene and p-cresol developed of an alumina column using a solvent system of progressively increasing polarity is Option A. Anthracene chlorobenzene p-cresol. Option B. Anthracene p-cresol chlorobenzene. Option C. Chlorobenzene p-cresol anthracene. Option D. Chlorobenzene anthracene p-cresol. The correct answer is Option A. Anthracene chlorobenzene p-cresol. Question number 8. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction that is reversible is Option A. Nitration. Option B. Chlorination. Option C. Sulfonation. Option D. Alkylation. The correct answer is Option C. Sulfonation. Among the aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, sulfonation is an example of reversible reaction. Question number 9. Which one of the following statements is false? Option A. R and S configurations correspond to the enantiomers of an optically active compound. Option B. The process of converting an optically active compound into a racemate is called racemization. Option C. A molecule containing a plane of symmetry can be optically active. Option D. Optical isomers that are not enantiomers are called diastereoisomers. The correct answer is option C. A molecule containing a plane of symmetry can be optically active. Question number 10. Neopentyl bromide undergoes dehydrohalogenation to give alkenes even though it has no hydrogen. This is due to option A. E2 mechanism. Option B. E1 mechanism. Option C. Rearrangement of carbocations by E1 mechanism. Option D. E1CB mechanism. The correct answer is option C. Rearrangement of carbocations by E1 mechanism. Neopentyl bromide give a carbocation as intermediate which undergo for rearrangement and show E1 mechanism, even has no BH atom. Thus, C is the correct option. Question number 11. The compound which does not lead to nitrile by substitution with NaCN or DMSO is option A. Benzyl chloride. Option B. Ethyl chloride. Option C. Isopropyl chloride. Option D. Chlorobenzene. The correct answer is option D. Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene does not lead to nitrile by substitution with NaCN or DMSO due to resonance and double bond character between Cl and carbon C atom of the benzene ring. Question number 12. The halogen compound which will not react with phenol to give ethers is option A. Ethyl chloride. Option B. Methyl chloride. Option C. Benzyl chloride. Option D. Vinyl chloride. The correct answer is option D. Vinyl chloride. Question number 13. The weakest among the following acids is option A. Peroxyacetic acid. Option B. Acetic acid. Option C. Chloroacetic acid. Option D. Trichloroacetic acid. The correct answer is option A. Peroxyacetic acid. Question number 14. Green fuel is the fuel obtained from option A. Bio-waste. Option B. Metal waste. Option C. Plastic waste. Option D. Chemical waste. The correct answer is option A. Bio-waste. Bio-waste give the most efficient and clean fuel, thus known as green fuel. Question number 15. Barbiturates are potent. Option A. Hypnotics. Option B. Antimicrobials. Option C. Antacids. Option D. Antiseptics. The correct answer is option A. Hypnotics. Barbiturates are derivatives of barbituric acids. These are potent hypnotics. Question number 16. Consider a driven damped mechanical oscillator is in resonance. Which of the following statements is true? Option A. Driving frequency is twice the natural frequency of the oscillator. Option B. Power transfer from the driving source to system is minimum. Option C. Driving frequency is the same as the natural frequency of the oscillator. Option D. The force damping the oscillations are at a minimum value. The correct answer is option C. Driving frequency is the same as the natural frequency of the oscillator. Question number 17. A train sounds its whistle as it approaches an observer standing at a point near the track. The observer measures a frequency of 216 Hz as the train approaches and a frequency of 184 Hz as the train leaves. What is the frequency of its whistle? Option A. 210 Hz. Option B. 190 Hz. Option C. 205 Hz. Option D. 200 Hz. The correct answer is option D. 200 Hz. Question number 18. A particle of mass m and charge q with an initial velocity v is subjected to a uniform magnetic field B along the vertical direction. The particle will option A. Follow a circular path if v is along the vertical direction. Option B. Make helical motion if v is along the horizontal direction. Option C. Make helical motion if v is neither parallel nor orthogonal to B. Option D. always make circular motion? The correct answer is option C. Make helical motion if V is neither parallel nor orthogonal to B. Question number 19. The energy gap is much more in silicon than in germanium because option A. It has less number of electrons. Option B. It has high atomic mass number. Option C. Its crystal has much stronger bonds called ionic bonds. Option D. Its valence electrons are more tightly bound to their parent nuclei. The correct answer is option D. Its valence electrons are more tightly bound to their parent nuclei. The energy gap in silicon is more than germanium because in silicon atom, electrons are more tightly bound to the nucleus than the germanium atom electrons. This happens due to the smaller size of the silicon atom. Question number 20. An accurate measurement implies that option A. The spread of the readings are broad around the mean value. Option B. The spread of the readings are narrow around the mean value. Option C. The closeness of the mean of the readings to the true value. Option D. The mean value of the readings is always higher than the true value. The correct answer is option C. The closeness of the mean of the readings to the true value. As we know, accuracy refers to the closeness of a measured value to a standard or true value. So, an accurate measurement is the closeness of measured value mean of measured values to true value. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.